Going ahead with the meal plans and meal schedules, there are these two options. Meal plan, it is like daily meal plan, which you can use for an entire program as well. It can be a single meal plan for a 30-day duration, or you can create different meal plans throughout the week for the rest of the program duration. If you're creating a 12 weeks program for nutrition as well, you can choose to add one single meal plan for your clients, or you can choose to add different meal plans for your clients. To create a meal plan, you go to your meal plan section, click this blue plus icon. There are two types of meal plans here. One is the food-based, the other one is macro-based. Food-based is wherein you are defining a specific food item and the serving size for your clients with the meal category. So you're defining that your clients are supposed to have 15 ml of apple cider vinegar in the early morning, which consists of 7 calories, followed by 1 lemon, 1 tablespoon of lemon, and 1 apple, right? So this is how you gonna define your meal category, your meal, the food items in the meal plan and the serving sizes in the meal plan. That is what a food-based meal plan is all about. The other one is the macro-based meal plan, wherein you are defining a meal category and the number of calories they are supposed to consume. You're not providing them a detailed guidelines of the food items that are required to consume. Your clients can choose whichever food item they want to consume and they can log it in the client app. Easy to follow journey. Enter all the relevant details as required. Once you click on done, you will be redirected to this particular page here. You can select add meal category option, select the category, let's say breakfast, select the time if you want. If not, you can skip it, click on add and then click on add more. This way you will be opening your FitBudd food database library. Again, the same pattern that you saw and noticed in the workout segment. Your library in the FitBudd database. In your library, again the same thing. You will see the food items that you have added manually and those food items that you have imported from the database. Search the database for the relevant food items and make sure that you add it up. Adding a custom serving in each food item is essential. Let's say if you are using 1 large egg, you define the number of grams these are equal to, add more, select another serving size for it, let's say medium, enter how much it is equal to something. And in one particular food item, you can add multiple serving sizes so that later on, you don't need to do this thing again and again for the rest of the meal plans. Okay. Once that is done, click on add to my library. Do this for the rest of the food items. Click on save. Here you can select the serving size that you were using. If you selected 1 large egg, it is calculating 50 calories, 50 grams of weight in the serving. If you're using medium, then it is defined in a different calculation. The calories and macros are then automatically adjusted based on the serving that you have configured in the food item that you were adding. This is how you're going to add rest of the food items in the similar fashion. If you want to add a note, again, you have that option by clicking add note option. If you want to import other meals from other meal plans, again, the same thing. It'll open up the meal plan library, select the appropriate meal plan for your utilization. You can import another segments and you're good to go. That's it. These are added. Once you have created all this, click on save and you'll be able to create a specific meal plan. Now this can be used as a single meal plan throughout the program or can be added in a meal schedule. Same features that you have referred in the fitness segment. The only difference is you cannot add multiple meal plans in a single day. Let's say if you click this plus icon, You can select only one meal plan at a time. As compared to the fitness segment, you are able to add multiple workouts in each day and then drag and drop it. You need to just select one meal plan at a time in each day over here. Once that is done, you just click on save and your program for the nutrition will be created.